Welcome to Review Lab. The best balloon garland black and gold is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations you can add to any celebration, transforming ordinary spaces into stunning visual experiences that guests will remember long after the event is over, making it an essential element for creating a memorable atmosphere that perfectly complements the theme and mood of your special occasion. Number 5. PartyWoo Black and Gold Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate your next celebration with this stunning black and gold balloon arch kit. It includes 140 balloons in various sizes, perfect for creating a luxurious party atmosphere. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating beautiful arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last throughout your event. Easily inflate these balloons with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or use helium for a floating effect. Their standard necks ensure quick and simple inflation. Please avoid overfilling, extreme temperatures, or sharp objects to ensure the balloons remain intact. Inflate them to your desired size for the perfect party look. From birthdays and graduations to weddings and retirements, these versatile balloons are ideal for any special occasion. Make your event unforgettable with this elegant decoration. This kit features 140 balloons in metallic gold and black, including 5-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 18-inch sizes. Please note that the 5-inch balloons may not float with helium. What we like. This kit offers a generous 140 balloons in various sizes, including metallic gold and black. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to create a stunning balloon arch or garland for a wide range of celebrations, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want a lot of flexibility in their decorations. What people say. The balloons were good quality and did not pop easily. The gold balloons had a nice metallic sheen and the black balloons were a deep, rich color. The garland was easy to assemble and looked very professional once completed. Number 4. PartyWoo Black Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate your next celebration with this comprehensive black balloon arch kit. It includes a variety of sizes to create a dramatic and elegant display. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. Ensure your decorations remain perfect throughout your event, from start to finish. Easily inflate these balloons with air for up to 72 hours of fullness. They are perfect for adding a festive touch to any gathering. To ensure the best results, avoid overfilling and protect them from extreme heat or sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for a flawless look. From birthdays and baby showers to graduations and anniversaries, these balloons are the ideal choice. Make your special event truly unforgettable. This kit features balloons in 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch sizes. Please note that the 5-inch balloons may not float when filled with helium. What we like. With 155 all-black balloons in different sizes, this option is ideal for a sleek and sophisticated monochromatic theme. If you are planning an event with a bold, modern aesthetic, such as a casino night or a race car party, this kit will provide the dramatic impact you desire. What people say. The metallic golden balloons are beautiful. They have a bright chrome color that looks very elegant. They didn't break when they were inflated and they keep the air well. They are thick and strong balloons. Perfect size balloons. Not one popped on me while filling them up. They held up for days. Number 3. PartyWoo 5-inch black matte latex balloons. Introducing our 5-inch black matte latex balloons, perfect for any celebration. This pack includes 50 pieces, adding a touch of sophistication to your event. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of occasions, from birthdays and weddings to graduations and bachelorette parties. They serve as excellent black party decorations. Crafted from durable latex, these balloons are perfect for creating stunning balloon garlands. They are a great addition to any black and gold themed party or baby shower. You can fill them with air, which lasts up to 72 hours, or with helium for a floating effect of 3 to 6 hours. They are wonderful for retirement parties and anniversaries. To ensure longevity, avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and excessive friction. While a few popped balloons can occur in automated packing, they are generally reliable for your decorating needs. What we like. This pack features 50 small, 5-inch matte black balloons. If you need to add smaller accent balloons to an existing garland, create a dense cluster effect, or are specifically looking for a matte texture to complement your decor, this is the perfect choice. It's great for detailed work or adding subtle touches. What people say. The metallic golden balloons are beautiful. They have a bright chrome color that looks very elegant. They didn't break when they were inflated and they keep the air well. They are thick and strong balloons. Perfect size balloons. Not one popped on me while filling them up. They held up for days. Number 2. Whaline Black and Gold Balloons Garland Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning black and gold balloon garland arch kit. It's the perfect way to add a touch of elegance and celebration to any event. This comprehensive kit includes 120 high-quality latex balloons in black, white, and metallic gold, along with confetti balloons for an extra sparkle. It's an economical and versatile choice for various occasions. Easily craft beautiful balloon arches and garlands with the included 16-foot balloon tape strip. You can create a variety of eye-catching designs to impress your guests. Our kit provides everything you need: 120 latex balloons, a balloon tape strip, 100 balloon glue points, and a balloon tying tool. It ensures a hassle-free decorating experience. Crafted from safe and durable latex, PP material, and ribbons, these balloons are perfect for any celebration. You can trust their quality for graduations, weddings, birthdays, and more. Decorating is a breeze with our easy-to-use tools. The balloon tie tool simplifies the process, and the included adhesive dots ensure your creations stay perfectly in place. What we like. This kit provides 120 balloons, including eye-catching confetti balloons, along with essential tools like a balloon tape strip and tying tool. If you want a complete package that makes assembly easier and adds a festive sparkle with confetti, this is the one. It's perfect for those who appreciate convenience and a bit of extra flair. What people say. The balloons were good quality and did not pop easily. The gold balloons had a nice metallic sheen and the black balloons were a deep, rich color. The garland was easy to assemble and looked very professional once completed. Number 1. Sheryl Décor Black White Gold Balloon Garland Kit. Make your party come to life with this beautiful balloon garland kit. It contains everything you need to create stunning decorations for any occasion, including step-by-step instructions. Creating a professional-looking balloon arch has never been easier. This kit includes balloons in various sizes, glue dots, a garland strip, and ribbon, making decorating fun and simple. Tired of balloons that deflate quickly? Ours are made with the highest quality materials, guaranteed to last throughout your entire party. They are thick, vibrant, and will impress your guests. We promise you'll love it. If any balloons are popped or missing, just let us know, and we'll send a replacement or a full rebate right away. Elevate your decorations with these must-have gold confetti balloons. They add an extra touch of elegance and are sure to receive compliments from everyone. This kit features a sophisticated mix of black, white, and gold balloons in various sizes, including confetti-filled ones. It's perfect for creating a stylish and memorable party atmosphere. What we like. This all-in-one kit includes 100 balloons in black, white, and gold, plus all the necessary accessories and easy-to-follow instructions. If you're a beginner or a busy individual looking for a foolproof way to create a professional-looking balloon garland, this is your best bet. It simplifies the decorating process significantly. What people say. These balloons are incredibly durable. Even without helium, the tire and checkered flag balloons stayed inflated for 2 months. The colors are vibrant and thick, not dull at all, and they didn't randomly pop during the event. The instructions were straightforward, making the assembly process quick and easy, even for someone like me who isn't particularly crafty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.